Today we are going to learn phrases. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga interuro. Why are you going to learn phrases? Kubera iki tugiye kwiga interuro? Because when you are speaking English we use phrases. Impamvu iyo tuvuga icyongereza dukoresha interuro. Let's into the lesson. Reka twinjire mu isomo. Muhawe ikaze. Are you alone here? Are you alone here? Uri hano wenyine? I'm a bit worried. I am a bit worried. Ndahangayitse. No man is an island. No man is an island. Nta mugabo nzigira. Here there is spare chairs. Here there are spare chairs. Aha hari intebe zibereye aho. I don't like such things. I don't like such things. Ibintu nk'ibyo simbikunda. Outside help come when the rain is over. Outside help come when the rain is over. Akimuhano kaza imvura ihise. I cannot decide what to eat. I cannot decide what to eat. Nabuze amahitamo y'ibyo ndya. Absence make a heart grow fonder. Absence makes a heart grow fonder. Ubuze ikintu aragikumbura cyane. No sweet, no sweet. No sweet, no sweet. Ntacyo wabona utiyushye icyuya. I have met with my old friend. I have met with my old friend. Nahuye n'inshuti yanjye ya kera. Have you ever had potato soup? Have you ever had potato soup? Wigeze urya isupu y'ibirayi? That sounds wonderful. That sounds wonderful. Ndumva ari byiza cyane. That sounds wonderful. He likes juice but he doesn't like milk. He likes juice but he doesn't like milk. Akunda ji ariko ntakunda amata. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? Ubyuka ryari? When do you wake up? Here is your salad. Here is your salad. Ngiyi salade yawe. Ngiyi salade yawe. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Ibiryo wemera ni ibihe? Ukunda ibihe biryo? Here you order. Here's your order. Here's your order. Ngibi ibyo watumije. Ngibi ibyo watumije. What do you do for living? What do you do for living? Ukora iki mu buzima busanzwe? What do you do for living? How does it taste? How does it taste? Bifite ikihe cyanga? Are you married? Are you married? Warashatse? No, I am not married yet. No, I am not married yet. Oya, ntabwo ndashaka. How many people? How many people? Ni abantu bangahe? Murakoze, mbaye mbashimiye kubw'umwanya wanyu. Kora share, subscribe, twikomereze, ukande na like.